Good world gone bad.
Shut up. Come on, 46. How's my hair today? Come on, take over. There you go, right, okay, on we go. Bloody, Zach, in my way. Right, hello, where are you? There you are. I am, pothole. I am just leaving Chester services on the M56. I'm on my way to Huddersfield again, second time this week. Only, I started my journey at 4 o'clock this morning. I didn't start it last night. Because no hours last night. I had a good day yesterday. Not a bad day. Pretty good drops, like. I got back to the yard at a reasonable time as well, which is very good. So I started at 4 o'clock this morning, got 11 hours off, no reduced rest, happy days. And on the way to Huddersfield. It's booked in for well, it's requested. It's not booked necessarily said it's booked in. It's requested at 10 a.m. Traffic has kind of buggered me up. Looks like I'm going to get there about 10:15, maybe a bit later. Because I kind of timed my break to hopefully get most of the rush hour traffic passing while I take my break, so I'm not in it. But I'll see how that goes. How's my hair? It's alright. I've tried to do something with it today. This is why I miss long hair. It's much easier to get where you want. Actually, no, that's a lie. No matter what I do, it's knackered. But yes, we're on the 50. Well, we're about to leave onto the 56. I had a bit of a panic on the way here as well because I totally forgot where these services were. And I was looking at my clock, saying, 4 hours driving time. Okay, I better pull over soon. And then I was like, wait, where are the services? I knew Lim was way too far away. Well, not way too far away. I'd probably be on 4 hours 32, 4 hours 35 getting there. And I don't want to do that. So yes, a lot of pallets. Don't know if I said that, but a lot of pallets. Fucking thing. Bloody thing. This tanker's not going to let me out, is he? No. Yeah, a lot of pallets. To Huddersfield, different place than we went to the other day or last week for you guys, depending on how I release these videos. As always, wibbly wobbly, timey-wimey and all that. Same week for me. This guy's way too slow. Oh, don't do a length. Yeah, that's the way. My turning is in 25 miles, so I got plenty of room to overtake him. And then we see this slightly congested traffic ahead. As long as you're faster than me, it's fine. Turn off the adaptive cruise control because I want to just go. Don't want to find myself stuck behind a lorry at 50 miles an hour, which has happened many times with the adaptive cruise control. It's a good feature, but God, is it a bit crap sometimes. Anyway, roughly an hour to get there. Tip. Then load up sawdust in Birmingham, because we were going to have the same reload as we had in the last one in Sheffield, but apparently the Birmingham load is more pressing, so go and do that one instead. It's all the same to me. I know I'm not getting home tonight, so no particular rush apart from this run up for the 10 o'clock, which I'm gonna just miss. Well, depending on traffic. I might miss it by a lot if the rush hour is still going on. Anyway, so I'll catch you guys in a minute. Bloody hell. Bloody good views here, innit? Woo! I was starting to worry whether if I came the right way or not. Bloody good drive up here, I'm telling you. Seems to rival Wales here. Better look out. Oh, the fucking thing again. Okay, apparently we are just coming down this massive hill and we're almost here. About 3 minutes away. Exhaust brake all the way down. It's not steep enough to warrant service brakes, so even better. Oop, not today, Mr. Speed Camera, not today. Nice 26 mile an hour for you. I can tell these buildings are very, very old. Ah, bloody bus. He's parked in not the best spot, but I don't blame him whatsoever. Whoops, a daisy. I heard that. Trailer hit a bit of bush. Bit of branch. Come on, power! Oh, he's gonna hit this one? Nope. On the way up this morning, I was convinced my trailer was whacking so many trees on the way, but I don't think it was. This trailer's tall, but I don't think it's as tall as I think it is, you know what I mean? Or the trees are actually taller than I. There we go. I don't know if you heard that one. That was a good one. Oh, this one? No. Who's keeping score? Wait, are those horses? Please don't have me. Oh, don't be horses. Course through. Terrified of passing horses in these things. All it takes is one jolt of the air compressor and the bloody things will knock you off. Or knock the riders off, rather. Luckily, in modern lorries, air compressors ain't too bad. They're not as loud. You know, when they go... It is the air compressor that does that, isn't it? Or the air dryer. Some kind of air system. Slaithwaite, here we are. Somewhere anyway. Bloody lovely drive here, I gotta say. Very refreshing to see somewhere totally new. I mean, I can go to Birmingham in my sleep now. I like going to Birmingham, but well, I've done a bit too much now. I've definitely done too much Swansea. And you parked in exactly the wrong spot.
In a quarter of a mile.
Not today, speed camera. Have 11 miles an hour. Okay, 16. Right, literally around the corner. I wouldn't call... Bloody bus. This...
Keep left to head lane.
Maybe
then
not.
Take the second left.
No, not this time. I'll let him go. Sign says... Wait. Not f***ing there. Oh, doobie-doo. Look at that sign said industrial estate. Oh, looks alright. Yeah, there we are.
Right.
Well, hello. You didn't expect to see me, did you? car's gone. There we are. Bridge Street, that's what I want. Bet you he's going in the same place I'm going. I bet you he's going in the same place I'm going. This looks dodgy. But I want Bridge Street. Oh, this looks very dodgy.
Arriving at HD7 5JN on the left.
I get the feeling. Oh, that's a bit too dodgy. Right, you can go off. What's the bet? Oh, I'm not coming out this way. What's the bet I'm not coming out this way? Well, so anyway, I found where I need to be. I'll park up here and see where they need me. Oh, I'm taking my high vis off in the most awkward way possible. Right, that's... Right, put that there, that there. Right. Let's get out of here. Tipped successful. Was not quite 10 o'clock, but... straight in. Had a slightly tricky reverse. Actually, I'm going to take my seatbelt off here. Had a slightly tricky reverse because where you see that Lambert trailer now, came from that direction into the car park back here, and then kind of at the semi-blind sides, like it wasn't too much of an angle, so it was not too bad. Did it with one shunt, so I'm happy with that. And apparently, do not turn right. Go back the way I came, because that's actually the best way. Oh, manvach.
In the street, then turn left.
Right, round two. Arctic did go back out this way, so I'm hoping he's cleared the way a bit. It does look a bit wider from where I'm sitting. Yeah, it does look a bit wider
Turn
already.
left onto Britannia Road, then take the first right.
How can this be the best way? Oh, manvach. If anyone wonders what manvach means, I know I say it a lot. It means little mother. That's the direct translation, anyway. Why can you not go on the curb a little bit? Can't see a mirror. Oh, I've got loads of them on that side. There you go. Oh yeah, that guy don't give a crap. He's probably waiting for the claim. Oh, I don't want to turn just in case. Just in case my tail swings it. Gotta be clear by now. I'm sure I'm clear. It's a bit late now, isn't it? I'm very tempted to get out and take a photo. Like, phew. But this is much easier on the way out, I'm telling you that. Right, I don't know which is the best way. Because either way, it looks dodgy. That signpost says M1 that way, I'm going that way. If this thing tells me to turn around, I'll turn around. It literally made no difference in time whatsoever. There we are. Tidy! Whew, we're there. Gotta say, that is the tightest access to a drop I've had in a long time. And I've done a lot of builders merchants recently. That one in Kilgetty. That place. Many of you recommended the bakers next door. You know the one I'm talking about. Right, that was tight, but that was not insurance claim tight. That was damage the lorry tight. The one we just did was insurance claim tight. A worst kind of tight. You know, hedge tree tight. Not a problem. Damage the lorry tight. Okay, we'll do it. Insurance claim tight. Damage other people's property tight. Ooh. But there we are. I have absolutely no idea where we're going, but in the map I've got in my head, this is roughly the direction to the M1, so happy days be there. Yeah, so M1 down to M42, Solihull. We've been there before. And once again, good result. Well, I haven't been loaded yet, but looks promising. So go a bit slower on you, I think. Oh yeah, no, I gotta remember where these bloody stores are. Aston Martin, next roundabout, turn right. Left. Left, turn left. Don't turn right. That is completely the wrong way. I know I've got plenty of time. I'm on 8 hours 47 minutes driving. And I've got a 10-hour available, so I've got... and floor it. So I've got an hour and 13 minutes to play with for the rest of the day. Driving. Working, I'm on 11 hours 15. Right, definitely not there, definitely not this one. So I don't think we will reach past a 13-hour shift today unless this loading really takes the bicky. Oh, Aston Martins. But I don't see why that will be the case. should be pretty simple. There's that lay-by. So either way, I gotta come the same route. So if that's full, I go truck stop. There we are. Never actually stayed in a truck stop. I've stayed in the services, but not a truck stop. Oh, but slow it down. No HGV quarry traffic. I remember that sign. I will now stop because lorry. Right, so I remembered where this way was. Always a good thing. Over this bridge. So, oh, I remember this. Okay, just follow that lorry where that lorry went. There we are. I'm taking this at a much better speed than the last time. Oops a daisy. Oh, there we go. To turn around now or to turn around later? To spinny now or to spinny later? I think I'll do it now while my trailer's empty and it's got an axle raised. Right, I think this is roughly where he wants me. Go back a bit, I think. If he wants me to move, I'll move. Not a bother. Righty-ho, we're loaded! It's nice fold on the back doors. It's a lovely one. And I just need to find out when this stupid place opens. Opens 8:15, 8 o'clock, so... Get up at 5. Easy. So I think I'm going to pack up. One of them lay-by as soon as my air builds up. And 5 o'clock start early tomorrow morning and get down there. There we go. Doesn't feel like I've done much today. Actually, I've got air still going up. As soon as you take the handbrake off, it just goes. How much do I actually have? 1 hour and 4 minutes. Can I get to Droitwich from here? It's 22 miles, 43, a bit too close. 43 minutes, no, a bit too close. I'm not going to risk it, not at 4:30. So, let's park up around here. Apparently I'm going to tip this. It's a double drop, one in the wholesaler, so... Oh, a lot of dust. Look at all that dust. You can't see that dust. There's a lot of dust. Yeah, but I'm going to tip this in the farmers merchants, for lack of a better word. That's probably what they're called. And to the actual farmer, and also to the farmer himself. I gotta ring him tomorrow. Hopefully he can guide me in, because I've had a look at the postcode, and I think I've spotted his farm. I'm not 100%. So, yeah. So, I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, everybody. How are we doing? It is bright and early, about 4:30. Just warming the truck up now. Woo! Right, we've got 2 drops. Both in Clynderwen. Even I struggle to say that word. And, oh, a very red here. Lots of lights. I like this now. I like this truck. Yeah, just warming the truck. Crack it up. Yeah, just warming the truck up. It's 20 to 5 now. A bit earlier than we usually start, but we've got a bit of a long run. I'm hoping to get there and then get a 45 in, because it's about 3.5 hours down. So yeah. So 1 farmer's merchants or whatever it is, and 1 farm, and then go back to the yard, swap trailers, and then tip another one at probably another farmer's merchants. I'm not really sure. But it's the one I loaded in Huddersfield a couple of days ago, which was in probably the last video, so hey. or the one before that. I don't know if I've split these. I don't know. Have I split these? I don't know. Tell me. Have I split these? I don't know. It's going to be about 2 weeks till I edit this. But yes, anyway, better make a move on. And I will see you on the road. I've never recorded all the way down South Wales at this time of day before, I don't think. And I've definitely never gone from like England all the way straight through to West Wales. I know that. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. I got my eyes on you.
Right, I've had day 45, cleared my driving time. I was on 3.5 because there's a lorry overturned on the main way to Clunderwen. And it's got to be quite bad because they shut the road at St Clair's, which is a decent way, which means you can't really get to Whitland. I think it's overturned on the other side of Whitland. But to get to Haverfordwest, you gotta go thing, so they probably just stop in that. Holding the radio, there's massive queues all the way down west. And the roundabout where I turn for Clunderwen is if I. Oops. Flicked into manual, forgot to change up. There we go. It's at the very end of the road closure on the other side. So I got a feeling when I get to that roundabout, I'm gonna hit a lot of traffic. So we're taking a bit of a diversion. I've done it before, like gone along this road. It's not the worst, it's not 100% suited for lorries, but you know, if the lorry's gone over, I mean, I think that's going to be there for a while. Because it popped up in my sat-nav accident about 6:30. I thought, oh, here we go. I thought it was just a false positive again, didn't I? But no, I heard on the radio. And I don't know why I keep ignoring it, thinking it's giving me the wrong advice. Will you? Manual down. Because whenever it says anything these days, it's spot on. Traffic, spot on. Accidents, spot on. So I don't know why I keep ignoring sat-nav. So yes, that's a thing today. I also rang the farmer we're dropping to. He wasn't best pleased. He's a bit busy today. So he wants us as late as possible, which, to be fair, we might be the case anyway. He wants around 11 o'clock. I'm going to get to Clunderwen about 9:30. So by the time I tipped, blah 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 blah, and I don't think I'm actually going to get there at 9:30 because if there's traffic that I'm expecting to be there, I'm going to be there.
Little by little, piece
it's going to be a while.
Until I'm complete.
So I don't know where they're being routed because the way coming this way seems to be normal. See when we get there now. Oh yeah, also when I rang the farmer, he thought he was getting bulk, not pallets, not bags on pallets.
I got my eyes on you.
I've never once driven a tipper, apart from that time in the Daf challenge, but I don't think that counts. So he's going to ring the company, which ironically I'm delivering to as well. So I don't know if I'm going to drop the whole lot with them and they reimburse him because they bought him from them. So I don't know if the customer I'm dropping to now is going to take the rest of the load, or if I'm taking it actually to the farmer or taking it back to Birmingham. I don't know. I don't think I'll take it back to Birmingham. Won't be happening today anyway. It's Friday today. Staying in Wales today. And I've got another load to do to a farm in Johnstown apparently. Down the other end of Pembroke, so the road closure won't affect that. As I was on my break, boss rang me. Obviously he heard about the accident. Foot down Friday at its finest. Right, see you when I drop then, since that camera's died. Almost here, just round the corner. And just went through Narberth there. Probably not the best way I could have gone. But I knew I could get through because I've done it before. And that major deja vu. Oh, major deja vu. The events that unfolded was pretty much exactly like my first ever solo day in the Arctic. If you would like to hear more about that story, leave a comment and I will make a video on that story. I mean, I think it was a bit worse this time. But no matter. Where is my drop? Don't tell me I've passed the bugger now. Oh, there it is. Anyway, oh, one lorry here. Oops, a daisy. One hit the Hyundai. Don't take down the brick wall either. Oh, bricks. They're just bricks. There we are. Right, let's go see the fine gentleman. Okay, and just like that, we are done. The whole load came off here. Since the farmer bought stock through these guys, apparently they had a discussion, and all of it was coming off here, which is fine by me. And he has put those right in my turn. No, he hasn't. Never mind. Oh, they got Arctics here as well. I knew they had rigids. Oh, bloody hell, loads of room there. So last time I came here, I swung it round, reversed it into the shed. And I'm pretty sure the trailer I had then was taller than this. But, raise the axle. But to be honest, I'm not going to chance it. There is a pallet exactly in my way. It's got a lifting axle. Yeah, so hopefully that lorry's been cleared. I don't think it has, because I heard on the radio that recovery arrived 15 minutes before I got to said roundabout, and it's literally right on the roundabout. So they've shut pretty much the whole road all the way down to St. Clair's. Not good at all. I hope the driver's alright, and I don't think he ate anyone. Do you super early subscribers remember seeing this place in a previous video? It might have been my fourth video. I'm pretty sure it was something like the fourth video. And oh, that's the lorry.
Yeah, hi Doc, thank you. Mashlai to Llangadvan is the A458 in Gwynedd still shut.
Okay, the road might be open. This lorry on the back of this low loader is what was tipped over. Oh yeah, it's had a wreck. You can tell that's been inside.
A40 is closed. Switch into a new route.
Yeah, that's definitely had a whack. You can definitely tell that was the one. The other side of it, to us there. Oof. Right, so they've cleared the unit. I'm guessing the trailer is still in the ditch, I don't know. Maybe they've opened one lane. I hope they've opened one lane. Got some traffic lights in there or something. Because if that's the case, and I'm on this side of it, I can just go straight through, as long as they've opened the road, obviously. Oh, hang on. If he went down that way, then... Oh, no. Oh, that would be the driver's side. Oh, that'll walk you up. Oh. Oh, no, I don't want that. Oh. Okay. I can see a crane. I don't think it's open. It is definitely not open.
A40 is closed. Switch into a new route.
Someone's got the trailer on anyway. Oh no, he just... Oh, load of lumber. No, they just put it in the back. Yeah, that's going to be another couple of hours. I thought he'd be loaded. It's Curtainsider it was, so that probably went straight through the curtain. They'd probably have to cut the curtain anyway just to put it back on its wheels. I've never seen this road so quiet in my life. Like, this is the main road to Haverford West. And we get free rein. Power! No, obey the law still. Yeah, if I went back through Narberth, it'd be a lot better than when I came up from Narberth. Because you don't have to go through, like, the dodgy bit of town where people park, which just happened to me just now. But it was fine. Got it sorted. So slightly longer this way, but much longer that way. So yeah, if you say the no.
A40 is closed. Switch into a new route.
Oh wait, I think I won her over now. She knows which way I want to go. And I say it, and I've wasted 1 whole minute. Oh no, the end of the world. No traffic whatsoever. There is nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's a van behind me, that's it. There's nothing.
Take the first exit.
Although, good view. Lovely good view. I have rambled on for about 10 minutes now. Probably with the amount of edits I do, about 5, but yeah, so good news and bad news. Good news, they took both loads, farmers and their own, because the farmer bought it through them. And bad news, you're not gonna get to see me go to a farm. This is the diversion everybody's trying to take. My water just fell somewhere. It's all the way back to Haverford West, I bet. Knackered. So I think we've gotten away with it today. It's inconvenienced us, yes, but hopefully the driver's all right, and like an inconvenience is nothing to us now. I've got plenty of hours today. Turns out I didn't actually use my 10 last night. I thought I did. I parked up bang on 9 hours driving. Totally accidental, because I thought I went over. But happy days with that. Right, hello chaps. How the devil are we doing? I seem to be doing this voice now. It's the way my mind is going, so just run with it. It turns out the way I wanted to go, which is this way, I completely disregarded the fact that it is the official diversion, and every bloody car, lorry and horse box from Haverford West is coming this way as well, which wouldn't be a problem. This is a usually quiet road. Except I forgot about this very junction. Usually very quiet, but when you add the volume of traffic, that means every single car is coming this way. It can quickly put a delay on your day. Oh, that rhymed. I didn't even mean it to rhyme.
Turn right onto A478.
Thank you. I'm quite aware. So yes, I should have gone back through Narberth the way I originally went, because that would have been much easier. Because like I said, going the way I did go through Narberth on the way to the drop was a lot harder than coming this way, away from the drop. So why I didn't just come this way in the first place, I have no bloody clue. But there we are. Well, these people seem to be wanting to go to Narberth now. Were they not privy to the fact that you could have gone that way anyway? Well, seems not. And it seems I've kept up this voice this long, it's about to wane a bit. Hopefully we will not encounter any more delays. But as the old saying goes, hopefully doth butter no parsnips. Oh, where are you going? Oh, you're going that way, that's okay. If you're gonna come this way, that would have been a bit of squeaky bum time for him.
Turn left onto A478.
Yes. Oh, we're passing the bakery, many of you have suggested. To Kilgetty, not to Kilgetty, in Kilgetty. Kilgetty, Bilgelly, whatever you call it. I'm not really sure. Nobody has told me so far. I'm just kind of winging it there. It's very near Kilgetty, if not in Kilgetty. I think I mentioned this in 2 videos ago. I don't know the bigger question is, why have I kept up that voice? Okay, we've gone now. It became quite difficult to stop then. Tractor Tom, he's red as well. It's Tractor Tom, Tom. What would we do without? Shut up! Lane departure system is not designed for whales. Let's see now, we just go down this quite rather remarkably dodgy bend. Which is not a problem because it's not as dodgy as I thought it was. And we find ourselves in Bilgelly, Kilgetty, whatever this place is. Was I still doing the voice then? I do apologise.
At the roundabout, take the
Yes.
second
Second exit, yes, whatever.
A478.
Is that the bakery? It's the only bakery I can see. It also annoys me if that is it, because there's very little room to park a lorry. I suppose I can technically park it where I am now on one side. There's enough room for another lorry to get past. But that's kind of on the roundabout, and I don't really want to do that. So anyway, back to the yard now. I was about to go in the voice again. I really need to stop that.
At the roundabout,
You're going that way, tidy beans! And hopefully there is no more delays because on the way we go. Back to the yard. Need to charge that camera. It's also filling the memory card rather fast because of my epic time lapse earlier. I hope it was epic, or it was very awful. Either or,
Cruising down the road, no thought getting old. The girls are hot, but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done.
Not annoying at all, is it? There we go. Wait for that to finally... It's the same company I delivered just now, just different site, although I've never been to this one. And yeah, best way to get there is through Haverfordwest. However, as we've experienced today, Haverfordwest is probably congested like hell. So the boss has given me money for the Clyde Bridge. So we're going down to Pembroke Dock and up that way. Bloody hell, yeah, it was really low in this. About an hour away. How much driving do I got? Yeah, that's telling me to go down over the bridge as well.
please drive to Highland.
Find an alternative route that avoids tolls? Not today. Right, so I've checked the straps, number plate, lines, locked up the diesel. Good to go. And we are in Pembroke Dock. And I'm going a bit too fast. There we go. Oh, it's getting a bit sunny now. Well, it was. Got to put my shades on and everything. Oh, that looks jocker. That is the way to the ferry terminal to...
Take the exit to A477.
somewhere in Ireland. I don't think it's Rosslare, that's Fishguard. Boss lied to me. He said it was 75p both ways.
At the roundabout,
Yeah, for a car.
take the second exit.
I knew it. Wait, hang on. How much money did he give me? I think he gave me £3. No, there we are. That's enough money. £1.50 for a little bridge.
In 1 3/4 miles, enter the roundabout.
Alright. Cheers. I forgot to give you the ticket. Oh, go on, use your brain, yeah. Use your brain. There we go. And this is the Cleddau Bridge. Bloody hell, I haven't been over this bridge in bloody years. Very often they shut this to lorries and high-sided vehicles when the wind picks up. As you can see, no real wind protection at all. Oh, bloody good view. I wonder what kind of view you're having from up there. I've changed where the camera is, so it's slightly higher up. Yeah, take it nice and easy over the bridge. Don't want the wind ravaging us. Literally just got a call off the boss. It would have been picked up on that camera, but not this one with the audio. It was also in Welsh, so I don't know why I mentioned it. But on the way back, he wants me to pick up an IBC of Ambril.
Left onto the road, then take the second right.
But anyway, we're almost here. I think. Not entirely sure. It's going to be on my... before the railway bridge. So nice and slow. That's the bridge. So this one or that one? That's a housing estate, so it's not that one.
Turn left,
CCF, there we are.
then take the second right.
Oh, there we are. Loads of room. Well, maybe not loads of room. Easy to find. A nice little van knows exactly where I'm going. Oh, this is not what I expected, I gotta say. It's always a nice surprise when you look at a map and then you find a big dip. Squeaky brakes. Arrived.
I'm building it up and then I break it down, and it's all just because of you.
And as we go over the Cleddau Bridge, once more, the other way. Ooh. Irish ferries. One is just docked. Oh, it's a good shot of the refinery from over there as well. Anyway, I'm distracted now. I will end this video here. Lovely shot of the Cleddau Bridge for you to end the video. So if you've liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell to give it a ring-a-ding-ding, and leave a comment what was your favourite part. Are you disappointed we didn't go actually see the farm? I'm kind of in two minds because I don't really like going to farms with lorries. But there we are. Why have they shut that lane? So yes, I don't know if I split this, but we've had one hell of a journey over the past 2 days. So it's been a good run. It's been a good run indeed. Nice change of pace from the bags anyway. Certainly beats multi-dropping around Swansea all day. So yes, like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
At the roundabout, take the second